This is Eternal Blade, and welcome to part 38 of the Space Marine Thunderfire Cannon tutorial. And we were getting this thing to fit right, so scale it until you can see the edges, and then just go to the left viewport to make things easier. Line it up. Okay, perspective. And bingo. And just give that a quick render. Waiting. I hate waiting for render times. They're really slow when you have screen recording software on. I just want to check that it looks okay. Yep, it's good. And what you could do with that is in Photoshop, you could, or even GIMP for that matter, the free photo editing program, just replace colors for whatever color scheme you want. You could desaturate it, increase the contrast, and use it as a displace map if you subdivided this. But yeah, I'm not going to do that because that'll take forever. Just move these. Oops. Where it's in. Okay, that was easy. Next, I'm going to find my image. Okay. We're going to, guess we get to work on the tracks. Yippee! We're going to have a lot of fun doing this. So go in the left-hand viewport, and let's just make some cylinders. Okay, just get one, copy it. These do not have to be perfect by any means, they're just placeholders. And I'm just going to hide this. Alright? Just continue making these. Okay. What these are for are to get the placement of the tracks correct on the actual model. So now unhide the model. Okay, and now we have track things which can be used. So select them all. And let's scale them down a bit. Okay. This wheel has to line up with this, so you can approximate it. And let's see, that's pretty close. Let's bring this one down a bit. Just because I want it to be able to swivel all the way. Alright, that actually doesn't look too bad. However, these have to line up, so just move them up. And let's actually move these back up a little bit. I don't think it should matter. I think we're good to go. Started these, so I have no idea what they actually look like because I can only see the edges, but they're about yay wide. Alright, what you want to do is just work on one. So, give it a gray material. Segments 35 should be good for this. Convert to an editable poly. select these, ring, connect twice. Okay. And then just scale these slightly down. Okay, and then give those a small chamfer. And voila, look at that. Alright, select these here. Inset about 1.53. Extrude in a bit. Okay. Inset quite a ways, and do it again, and we'll leave it there for now. So select this, and I picked 35, so that means every 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a second. I hate doing these things. Let's do 3 between each of them. Okay. Let's try 4 between each of them. Alright, that looks pretty good. So, extrude outward, not quite touching the edge, and then control select the verts, and deselect all the outside ones. Okay, once you have just the inside, pull them down. Alright, next, select this here, grow, and then shrink. Okay, extrude this just a bit, select these 2 edges here, loop, chamfer, okay, and looks pretty good. Next, select this inside thing here, inset it a bit, let's do just some quick bevels. Okay. That should be good. I never knew the point of that, but it's there. So, actually, yeah, that's right. Yeah, on this side, what we want is just an extrude. See if it penetrates, and it does, so we'll kind of bevel and boom, right in there. And just for the sake of it, we're going to do the 5 thing here too. Alright, extrude. Not too much. Okay. Deselect all the outside edges. It's a pain, but you know what? It looks kind of cool, so move it in. Alright, that'll be it for part 38. I'll see you in part 39.